I wrote my baby a letter and told him I'm missing him so. I miss you. Said that I'll be his forever, forever. And I marked it XO, XO. Hugs and kisses with feelings of tenderness too. Hugs and kisses. I'm sending all my love to you. My baby wrote me a letter and told me he's missing me so. I miss you. Can't wait till we're back together, together. And he marked it XO, XO. Hugs and kisses, dreaming of moments to be. Hugs and kisses, he's sending all his love to me.